Hey, hydration heroes, feeling a bit parched? Let's shake up your drink routine with a homemade electrolyte booster that's both refreshing and revitalizing. Start with some crisp cold water. About 2 cups should do the trick. Now, squeeze in the juice of 1 large lemon for that zesty kick. Lemons aren't just for flavor. They're packed with natural electrolytes like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Next, add a pinch of sea salt. Yes, salt. It's not just for your fries, folks. Salt helps your body absorb and retain more water. Perfect for those extra sweaty workout days. Here's the sweet part, literally. Stir in a tablespoon of honey or agave nectar. This isn't just for sweetness. These natural sugars help your body quickly absorb all those hydrating minerals. Mix all these ingredients together until fully dissolved. Throw in a few ice cubes if you like it extra chilly, and voila! You've got yourself a hydrating homemade electrolyte drink that'll keep you energized and refreshed. So next time you're sweating it out or just need a hydration pick-me-up, skip the store-bought stuff. Your DIY electrolyte drink isn't just easy to make. It's a healthier, wallet-friendly choice that keeps you charged all day long. Cheers to staying hydrated.